Hello and welcome to Basic 2 Tech for students, teachers, and maths education. Today's video is titled Equivalent Fractions. Today we shall be looking at how to get equivalent fractions of any given fraction. So if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do so and click the notification button so you can get notification when we post new videos. So let's go. What are equivalent fractions? Equivalent fractions are fractions that represent the same value after they are simplified. For example, if we have 1 over 2, 1 over 2 is the same as 2 over 4. Now, these are equivalent fractions. You might ask, how? Now, when we simplify 2 over 4 as simple as possible, we should get 1 over 2. For example, if I divide 2 by 2, I get 1. And if I divide 4 by 2, we get 2. So when we simplify 2 over 4, we get back 1 over 2. That means that 1 over 2 is the same as 2 over 4. They are equivalent fractions. What about, for example, 9 over 12? Now, 9 over 12 is the same as saying 3 over 4. Now, 3 over 4 is the simplified version of 9 over 12. So 9 over 12 is the same as 3 over 4. If you want to simplify 9 over 12, 3 divided 9 is 3, and 3 divided 12 is 4. So this means that 9 over 12 is equivalent to 3 over 4. In this series, we shall be looking at how to simplify fractions. So subscribe so you don't miss those videos. Now, how do you get the equivalent fraction of any given fraction? What we do is to multiply both the numerator and denominator of the given fraction by the same number. We can use 2, we can use 3, we can use 4, and the list goes on. You can also divide the numerator and denominator of the given fraction by the same number. Alright, but you must note, when dividing, you only divide when the numerator and denominator gives a whole number. Alright, so let's look at how to get an equivalent fraction of any given fraction. Now, here's our first example. We're asked to write 3 fractions that are equivalent to 3 over 5. 3 over 5. So we can start with 2. It means that we multiply the numerator and denominator by 2. So I can multiply the numerator by 2 and multiply the denominator by 2. So 3 times 2 is 6, and 2 times 5 is 10. So this means that this tells us that 3 over 5 is equivalent to 6 over 10. The next equivalent fraction, let's try 3. So we have 3 over 5. Let's try 3. So times 3 and times 3. So 3 times 3 is 9 over 5 times 3 is 15. So it means that 3 over 5 is the same as 9 over 15. So 3 over 5 is equivalent to 9 over 15. The third one, we can use 4 So 3 over 5, we can multiply by 4, multiply by 4. That gives us 3 times 4 is 12 over 5 times 4 is 20. So this means that 3 over 5 is equivalent to 12 over 20. So the equivalent or 3 equivalent fractions to 3 over 5 is 6 over 10, 9 over 15, and 12 over 20. Let's look at our next example. Here we're asked to write two fractions that are equivalent to 4 over 7. So we have 4 over 7. You can try any number, just ensure that you are multiplying the numerator and denominator by the same number. Let's start with 4. So I'll multiply the numerator by 4, and multiply the denominator by 4. So 4 times 4 is 16, and 7 times 4 is 28. So 16 over 28 is an equivalent fraction to 4 over 7. Let's try 5. So we have 4 over 7. So multiply the numerator by 5 and multiply the denominator by 5. So 4 times 5 is 20 over, and 7 times 5 is 35. So 20 over 35 is the same or equivalent to 4 over 7. So therefore the two equivalent fractions to 4 over 7 are 16 over 28 and 20 over 35. So this is how we can write or get the equivalent fraction to any given fraction. So thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.